Let's move on to US pre-market movers and some chart points.
Okay, well, we've really had, apart from the M&A outright, which has also been a year where the activist investors in the US have featured very heavily, and they appear to be ending the year in the same way they started. So Pep Boys, PEP Boys, PBY, the ticker in the US, that's $17.03, trading up around 8.5% pre-market. It's an automotive parts distributor and fitter. Carl Icahn on Friday announced an 11.2% stake in the business. He fancies getting Pep Boys to merge with Auto Plus, which is a subsidiary of one of his trading companies. It's the same sort of business, but he sees Pep Boys as being an ideal acquisition target for Auto Plus. So I'd imagine that he's bought 11%. He owns the other company. He's probably going to try and sell that deal pretty hard and probably get his own way. And then the other stock that's caught my eye today, I never know quite how to pronounce this, but Chipotle Mexican Grill, CMG in the US, $518.70, down 7.5% today. And the group issued a fourth quarter profits warning, and that came hard on the heels of an E. coli incident-related slump in sales. It says that sales will be down for the next quarter between 8 and -8 and -11%, whilst November sales had already fallen by 16%. Right. So, the bad.
I assume that's a restaurant, is it?
Yeah,
chain of restaurants?
Yes, it is. Yes, a chain of casual dining restaurants in the States. Yeah.
Right. In terms of chart points, these are the cash levels.
Actually, on that Chipotle, we've got one in London Wall now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but yes, maybe not now. But on the levels to watch then, obviously European markets have rebounded somewhat this morning. So as far as the FTSE is concerned, we're looking at 62.50 on the downside now, plays 63.24. The DAX has rallied probably the best of all of the European indices this morning. So 10,860 now, plays 10,955 there. S&P and Dow had a strong session on Friday, so we now play 2080 on the downside of the S&P, plays 2098 to the upside, and in the Dow 17,800 and 17,910 of the
so the FTSE, the real underperformer there. I mean, that's just low.
Yeah,
it's like about 150, 200 points lower than it should be, given where the other ones are.
It is lagging, Zach, and I think there's still that hangover from what's left of the mining sector still dragging it down, basically.
And the oil sector.
Yeah, but both.
And the banks, and the list goes on.
The markets.
Yeah.
Okay, in terms of currencies.
Okay, well, the euro is drifting back down to earth gently. So we've got 108.11 on the downside, plays 108.58 to the upside. Aussie dollar, US dollar, the Aussie holding its own here, 72.88 on the downside, plays 73.20 to the upside. Dollar yen, the yen looks to be giving way once more, so 122.95 is our downside level, plays 123.68 to the upside, and cable seems to have settled back around that 150 handle with 150.35 on the downside, plays 150.80 to the upside. Obviously, Mr. Carney to speak this afternoon, and the Bank of England on Thursday, so if I was watching any of the currencies, I think it'd be cable.
Cable this week.